post it as a course update right now. Copy. Lab stream. Okay, see if you can click it. See if you can get it to work. All right, I see 3 people. All right, so if it doesn't let you, you can watch on your phone. It's a little delayed. Yeah, it will be a little delayed, but that's fine. We can make it work. So as long as if it doesn't let you get on through your computer because you're using a Chromebook, you have to. I think you have to log out, and then yeah, you could do it through your phones, whichever works. So let me know right now. I see Jocelyn's in. I see 5 people watching. All right, cool. Just want to make sure that if you can't view it, that we could fix it right now.
Ms. Lynn, can you also post the link in the chat so that Jasmine and I can access it as well?
Oh yeah, sorry. Can someone post it for me? Because I'm on 2 separate computers. Can someone copy and paste it into the chat for Jasmine and Cynthia? Thank you, Stephen.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, so let us know right now if you can't get on. But yeah, I know it's going to be laggy, and so you hear my voice like twice right now. It won't be as bad once I send you to the breakout rooms. Actually, you know what? I'm going to mute the stream Okay. So I'll send one of you to odd and one of you to even, so you could bounce around. All right. Thanks. And then, all right, everyone, can you hear me through the stream? All right. Okay, cool. All right, so I'm gonna I'm gonna try to start putting these in the, oh, gross. 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm missing one. 10. You see, this is the huge one that I was talking about. Ugh. Oh, hey, Kevin. Why aren't you in class? Oh, you're not. How's college? Hey, you guys. How's the weather on the East Coast? Really? It's cold already? Yeah, so Kevin in the chat, he took AP Bio last year. Now he's at Boston College? What? Oh, this one's trying to escape. Okay. I can't believe it's already cold. Okay, so here's the other one. 1, 2. So this one, it will be a little bit harder to see on the dirt. So I'll try to help you out if you need help, like try to point them out. But you might have to just be really, like, count them really carefully. Ew, gross, gross, gross. They're like really active today. Okay. Okay. I think that's 10. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so I'm gonna, for the mud and the dirt, let me just put 5 and 5 on each side. Yeah. And then for this one, 1, 2. Okay. All right, so there's 5 and 5. Ah! They're very active right now. So you can start, so groups, oh, this one is not happy. Okay. So you can start whenever your group is ready. So timekeeper, start keeping time. And then at 1 minute, tell your group time, and then you can count how many are on each side. I know, they're really like trying to get out today. All right, so groups. I'm gonna try to make it so you could see both, but groups, once you're ready, timekeepers, you could start. And then at 1 minute, call time for your group so that you can count how many. Oh my gosh, this one's like. And for the mud versus dirt one, once again, that group, if it's hard for you to see, you can tell me in the chat. I'll try my best to tell you where they are. But right now there's 6 right here. Oh no, they're crawling this way. Right now, there's 8 roly-poly, 9 on the dry side and 1 here, just in case it's hard for you to see. But yeah, the dirt, it's kind of hard to see on camera, like the contrast between the roly-polies and the dirt. Ah. Yeah, this one's hard. Right now, there's only 1 on the mud side. I'll try to point out for the mud, like how many there are, and then you would just subtract for the dirt. Yeah, so this one, currently there's only one right here on the mud, and all the other ones on dirt. So remember, since every row has to equal 10, it's okay if you want to just, like, I'll just tell you every now and then, like, point out the ones on mud, and then you can subtract to get 10, to get the other side for dirt. But right now, there's just this guy or girl. Now there's 2 on the mud. So there's this one right here and then this one. So there's 2 on the mud side, and the rest are on dirt. 3 now. So this one is coming over. Four on the mud. So there's 4 here. One is escaping. Go back in. All right, so those of you, just in case, there's 4 on mud. So I'm gonna just I'll just keep telling you how many are on mud. Yeah, you can leave the Nearpod. Yeah. I should have told you that. So you close everything except for Zoom and this stream, so you don't have to, like, your computer won't be laggy. All right, there's 5 on the mud side now. So these 2 just came over. This big one, yeah, go back. Okay, 5 on mud currently. So 5 and 5. Oh my gosh. Still 5 on the mud side. Okay, there's 4 on mud now. One of them came to the dirt, and one of them is trying to escape right here. Reporters, when you get a chance, can you tell me what minute you're on? So reporters for each group in the chat, put like group 1, we're on minute 6, or group 1, we're on minute 3. So I can have an idea. Currently, there's 4 on mud. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 here. All right, thank you, Adrian. Thank you, group one. So whenever the other groups, when you get a chance, reporters, tell me what minute you're on. Still 4 on mud right here. Okay, thank you. Karina, what group are you? There's 5 on mud now, so 5 here. Group 3. Okay, thank you. Oh, group 4. Okay. So group 5, when you get a chance, let me know what minute you're on. So there's 5 on mud right now. This one's coming back though to dirt, so there's 4 on mud right here. This big one keeps trying to get out. Go back in. There's 5 on mud. There's 6 now. 6 of them are on mud side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 on mud. Now there's 5 on mud. If you increase your brightness on your screen like all the way, it might be easier to see the mud and the dirt. But right now it's 5 and 5 for mud and dirt. Oh, this one's coming to dirt. Never mind. There's 3 on mud right now. 1, 2, 3. Right now there's only 2 on mud. So 2 on mud. One on mud. All right, let me in recorders, if you could tell me what minute you're on again when you get a chance. Reporters, tell me what minute. There's 2 on mud. Let me get this one back in. Okay, 11 minutes, 9 minutes. All right, thank you. 11 minutes. Okay, there's currently 2 on the mud side, just in case you need that, and get these back in. $11 minutes. Okay. All right, what about group 3 and group 5? Let me know what minute you're on, reporters, or someone from your group. If you don't have a reporter. Oh, shoot, one escaped. Didn't even notice. It's currently 2 on mud. It's this one and then one on the edge right here. Can't really see, but right here there's one hanging out on the edge. Okay. Group 5? Someone let me know from group 5 what minute you're on. Only 1 on mud right now. When your group is done, tell me in the chat, okay? So do group 1 done or group 5 done, whatever, when you're done. Because everyone's at different time points, so. Mud, or it's just 1 right here. Everyone else is on the dirt. Just this guy or girl. And then for this side, there's 3 on lemon, so the rest are on lime. I think so. I don't want to poke it because I don't want to like disturb it, but I guess I'll just give it a little nudge. Yeah, it's alive. All right, group 1 done. Thank you. Okay, so group 1, What I would like you to do right now, a lot of them look dead. Yeah, they're just like not moving. But you should have seen yesterday for period 4, we did hot sauce, and that one worried me because I was like, they look pretty upset. But these are the same ones that dealt with the hot sauce, and they're fine. Yeah, maybe they're just satisfied with whatever side they're on. So these dirt ones right here have been pretty good, like pretty chill. So anyways, if group 1, since you're done, what I would like you to do is just make sure every single row equals 10. So remember, every row needs to equal 10, and you should make sure that you all have the same data. So what you could do is one person, for example, the recorder, can read off your numbers, just go each row. All right. And then you can all make sure that you have the same data, because when you do the calculations, if you have different numbers, then you'll get different like results for your calculations. All right. So if you are done, you can compare your numbers and make sure every row equals 10. I'm tired of your print. But right now, oh, there's a couple going to the mud side. So now it's 3 on the mud. 1, 2, 3. Let me get this one back in. 3 on mud. Right here, there's 3 on lime. And then any other groups, once you're done, tell me in the chat. So group 3 done, group 5 done. And you can check your data. So 3 on mud still right here, 3 here, and then there's 3 on the lime part. Group 2 is done. Awesome. Okay, so same as what I was saying to group 1, check to make sure every row equals 10. All right, every row equals 10. And then the recorder should read out their numbers to make sure everyone has the same data. So everyone should have the same data. So like at minute 1, we had this and this. This on side A, this on side B. Minute 2, I had this on side A, this on side B. There's 3 on mud. One is like burrowing in right here. 3 on mud. They're fine. They're fine. I'm telling you, yesterday's hot sauce one, that one worried me. That one, that they didn't look very happy. But I think the initial, once I tossed them in, they were like very feisty. But then once they settle in, they don't move as much. Today is not it for them. I know. Today's the last day. So we did this. I did this with the AP class. Then I did with period 4. And then you're the last group. So after today, they can finally rest and they don't have to do this anymore. There's one writing, like another one right here is like on its back. Okay, group 3 is done. Group 2 is done. Group 4 is done. Group 1 was done. So group 5, let me know. Group 5, torture them in hot sauce. Yeah. Group 5, someone from group 5. Whoa. Ah, come back. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. 1. There's only 1 on mud, but I need group 5. Enrique, Brian, Frank, someone from group 5. Tell me what minute you're on or if you're done. You're done? Okay, thank you. All right, so I'm gonna cover this up so that I don't have to keep watching them, making sure they don't escape. Put these lids on. Okay, at this point, I'm going to end the stream and then I'm gonna have you come back to the, well, on Zoom, real quick before I close the breakout rooms. I want you to check, make sure every row is equal to 10. All right, remember every row has equal 10, and then that your numbers match with the rest of your group. All right, do that real quick before I close the rooms. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And just kidding. All right. Okay, covered it up so I don't have to keep watching them. All right, I'm going to have you come back to the main room. Okay, so I'm going to close the breakout rooms right now so you can join back in the main room.
Hi, Miss.
Hello.